Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video on your WhatsApp status. So first up, what you need to do is to pull up the YouTube app on your phone and then just look for the video that you wish to use. So for example, this one, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the three dots icon right beside the title of the video and then select share. And then we're going to copy the link. Now we're going to navigate to our WhatsApp. So just open the WhatsApp on your phone and then make sure to be on the update section where you can see the My Status section. And then just tap on the pencil icon or the edit icon. Here you get to type a status. All you have to do is paste the link you just copied and the video will be added to your WhatsApp status. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.